We're here today to make some lunch, right? Mm-hmm. We're gonna teach Lane, my son, to make an easy lunch. It's reminiscent of some favorite frozen lunch bites that I had as a kid, frozen bagel pizzas. And they're super easy to make at home. And for anybody who's got kids around and you're ready for your kids to learn to make their own lunch, this is the deal, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so what are the ingredients we need?
We need salsa.
Not salsa. Pizza sauce.
Whatever. Pizza sauce, pepperoni, cheese, and 2 bagels.
2 bagels. This is just shredded pizza cheese.
And a tinfoil metal thing,
Yep.
metal like cookie sheet and tinfoil on top so it doesn't stick.
So I'm just gonna cut this. And then the best part about this is that you can make it however you want. So I'm gonna let you do the decorating. What are you gonna start with for your pizza bagel?
This.
You're gonna start with the pizza sauce? All right, so spoon it around. Just came out of a jar, so this is pretty easy. You can just have the ingredients around and the kids can do it themselves. I'll move on to saucing. What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna do 1 pepperoni on the front.
Okay.
And 3 more pepperonis on one side, the bottom, and the other side.
So this recipe calls for just 2 pepperonis per pizza, but at home you can add as much pepperoni as you want.
And then take cheese and put it on top of every pepperoni.
Make sure you have enough cheese for your bagel, right? Now, I think it would also be fun if you can find those mini pepperonis. I couldn't find those at the store. You could also just cut your big pepperoni, but it doesn't seem like it's holding Lane back. All right, enough eating and let's do more decorating. All right, let's finish up these pizzas. We're ready to eat, man. Melted cheese all over this well. Okay, enough with the eating. Luckily, we're at home. We washed our hands and we're the only ones eating these pizzas. If you're cooking for other people, maybe cool it with the eating.
Open it up.
All right, that looks like plenty of pepperoni. And now we're gonna put these guys in the toaster oven and they'll be ready in a couple minutes. 425, wait till the cheese is all melty and brown and you got yourself some lunch. Yummy. All right, let's check our progress.
Okay.
Do you think they're ready?
Yeah.
You think they're ready? All right, let's pull those guys out.
I'm gonna put some green Tabasco on.
What? Green hot sauce. Okay, that wasn't in the recipe, but you know, you can make it however you think it'll be good. Okay, I think that's probably enough Tabasco. It's...
Ooh, yummy.
All right, let's try it.
Hold that.
Maybe you should have cut it off. How was it?
Good.
Just like a pizza?
So spicy.
Easy mini pizza bagels. You can make them spicy or not, however you want it.
Hot. Super hot. Hot.
Easy enough a 7-year-old can do it.
Uh-huh.